Welcome to GoX Pro's programming feature. This guide will walk you through a quick overview on the different types of programs you can create in the app, as well as some of the functionalities available to you in a program or PT session. To dive deeper into all the programming functionalities, or to revisit all our tutorial videos, simply click on the Options button at the top right of your screen, and select Tutorial Videos from the drop-down menu. Within your GoX Pro you have two different base styles of programs: an evolving program, and a multi-week program. When you click the Add button on the top right of the page, you'll be able to choose the style of program that you'd like to create. An evolving program could be a one-day program or a split program that includes up to 5 days. The program summary page shown here is your starting point to build your program. This is the starting point for a multi-week program. You can include different activities such as coached sessions, solo sessions, evaluation and custom activities such as habit-forming personal challenges, and schedule them out for weeks in advance. Unless your app has custom branding, your evaluation sessions will appear in purple, your custom activities and habit-forming challenges in blue, your solo sessions in gray, and your coached sessions in green. To move sessions around on your day planner, simply drag and drop a chosen session to a different day. You can easily add or duplicate weeks, add or duplicate sessions and assign daily challenges to specific days, or all days in your program. You can also add multiple training blocks. Training blocks are perfect for creating periodization-style programs. Once you've scheduled and published a multi-week program for a client, all their custom activities and habit-forming daily challenges, as well as their solo sessions, will be automatically shared to their client app. All their coached sessions as well as their evaluation sessions will be booked for them, automatically appearing in your coach's calendar and in the client-facing app, on the My Bookings page. When building a program from scratch, GoX Pro offers you a choice of 2 exercise libraries. The first one shown here is the Functional Movement Patterns library. Here exercises are categorized by their functional movement pattern and equipment type. For example, a hip hinge with a kettlebell. In the second library, resistance training exercises are categorized according to the muscle group they target. For example, under chest, we'll see all the exercises that target the chest. You can also search for exercises by exercise type, for example, warm-up, resistance training or cardio, etc. In the muscle group library, when we choose resistance training, a silhouette of the body will appear. We can then choose which area of the body we want to train by clicking one of the green zones on the silhouette. Or, we can select other more specific exercises, by clicking on one of the additional exercise categories below the silhouettes. To quickly switch between exercise libraries, simply click on the 2 arrows icon above the silhouettes. Now that we've added an exercise from the warm-up category, it's been added with its corresponding customizable section title. We have the option to set the parameters for this exercise. Or, we can continue building the program by clicking the plus button. Below each set field, we can add additional sets, prescribe a certain tempo for each phase of the repetitions, and add notes to coach, as well as exercise instructions for clients. Client exercise instructions are visible to clients when they do solo sessions from their client app. Create supersets easily by clicking the arrows and confirming with the Save button. Clicking the up arrow will link this exercise to the one before it. Clicking the down arrow links it to the exercise after it. And yes, you guessed it, clicking both arrows links this exercise with the exercise before and after it. To modify your program, open up the contextual menu of functions. To do this on a desktop, simply right-click on an exercise or exercise section title. If you're on a mobile device, just hold your finger down on an exercise or exercise section title for 1 second. This will bring up the same contextual menu. In the menu you have the options to insert a program template, insert a section title, insert or move an exercise, insert a custom exercise, or delete an item such as an exercise or a section title. On the right you will find the options menu. Select the Save as Template option if you'd like to save this program to your program templates to use with other clients. When you're in an evolving program, clicking the Options menu gives you the possibility to share the program with your client, so that they have access to it on their app. You could also invite them to download the client app here. In a multi-week program, all programs and sessions are automatically shared to the client when you publish the program. Once you've invited your client to get the client app, you can use the Simulate Client App feature to see how the program looks on the client-facing application. In this short demo video, we will show you how to make any section inside a program a circuit. Click Add to add a new program. Today we are starting by creating a new coached session. However, you could also create the circuit inside of a solo session. Click on the plus and choose Add Exercises from the menu. Once you added your exercises, click on the section title and you will be given the choice to make the section a circuit. You can choose from HIT, LIIT, Rehab, AMRAP or EMOM style circuits. Next, input your parameters for the circuit, such as a time per station, rest time before and after a section, number of rounds, and if multiple rounds, the rest time between rounds. Save your choices at the bottom right and you have implemented a circuit within a program or session. Under your section title you will now see a few icons relating to the timings of your circuit. If you click on the individual exercise, you will be able to customize the name, add a short description and write notes to coaches or the client. To start the circuit, click on the play button on the section title. The screen will be filled with all exercises or up to 20 in the circuit, including a visual demo, title and sequence numbers. On the top right of the screen you can navigate to start the circuit, pass, skip or rewind. This video gave you a quick overview on the different types of programs you can create in the app, such as evolving programs, multi-week programs and circuits. To learn more about all the functionalities in our programming feature, or to see all our tutorial videos, click on the Options button at the top right of your screen, then select Tutorial Videos.